Hi everyone. In the previous class, we prepared journal entries and ledger accounts for measures Banu Traders. Here, on December 17th, goods sold to Goyal Traders. It is 35,000. Here, mistakenly they have given like 3,50,000, but consider 35,000. Okay. In the journal entries, we'll see the journal entry of that transaction on December 17. Goyal Traders account debtor to sales account. Here you have to mention the amount 35,000, not 3,50,000. Okay, here you need to mention 35,000, and while preparing the ledger accounts also you need to enter 35,000 itself. While preparing the Goyal Traders account, in that you will write what? On December 17th, you will write to sales account in the debit side, right? And the amount will be, you have to write 35,000 itself, because this 3,50,000 is wrong. You need to write in to sales account, amount is 35,000. And while preparing the sales account, you will record the transaction in credit side, that is by Goyal Traders account, right? In that also you need to record the entry by Goyal Traders account, and the amount is 35,000. Here the amount is 35,000. And in the last class we prepared journal entries for the Sanjana problem, and now we'll prepare the ledger accounts for that problem. Here this problem is a bit different, because cash in hand, cash at bank, stock of goods, dues they have given. Therefore, it is a balance at the beginning. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು while preparing the cash account, we need to take cash in hand as a balance brought down, because it is a balance at the beginning. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇರೋ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು. ವೈಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ brought down. We'll see here cash account debtor. Yeah, this is the balance at the beginning. First we'll prepare the cash account. You will understand while solving the problems. We'll prepare the ledger accounts for the Sanjana problem. First we will prepare the ledger accounts in the books of Sanjana. Okay, in the books of Sanjana, ledger accounts. The first one is, we'll prepare cash account. Cash account we'll prepare. Okay, here as I already explained, January 1st cash account debtor. This is the cash in hand. So this is the balance at the beginning. Therefore we are recording it as balance brought down. Okay, on 1st January 2017 to balance brought down. How much? The amount is 6,000. It is a balance at the beginning. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇನು ಮೊದಲೇ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೀಸ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಆನ್ January 4th, cash account debtor to sales account. Cash account debtor to sales account will prepare 4th January 2017 to sales account. How much? The amount is 10,000. 10,000 over. And the next entry is on January 14th, cash account debtor to Karuna's account. Cash account debtor to Karuna's account on 14th January to Karuna's account. How much? Amount is 13,000 over. And the next entry is on January 16th. Cash account debtor to Heena's account. Amount is 3,000. Cash account debtor to Heena's account on 16th January 2017 to Heena's account. How much? 3,000 over. Next entry is on January 25th. Rupali's account debtor to cash account. Here cash account is credited by Rupali's account on January 25th 2017 by Rupali's account. How much? Amount is 18,000. We will record 18,000 over. We'll see. Next entry is on January 26th. Cartage account debtor to cash account. Here also cash account is credited by Cartage account on 26th January 2017 by Cartage account. How much? The amount is 1,000 over. We'll see the next entry on January 27th. Salary account debtor to cash account. Cash account is credited by salary account on 27th January by salary account. How much? The amount is 8,000 over. And the next entry is on January 28th. Cash account debtor to sales account. Cash account debtor to sales account 28th January 2017 to sales account. How much? 7,000 over. And the next entry is on January 31st. General expenses account debtor to cash account. Here cash account is credited by general expenses account January 31st by general expenses account. How much? The amount is 500. We'll record 500 over. We recorded all the entries relating to the cash account. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್. 6,000 plus 10,000 plus 13,000 plus 3,000 plus 7,000. Here we will get 39,000. And in the credit side 18,000 plus 1,000 plus 8,000 plus 500. We are getting 27,500. Which side shows more amount? We have to write that only. So here in the debit side we are getting the total is 39,000 and in the credit side also we have to write 39,000. How much is remaining? Here we are getting how much? 27,500. In 39,000 we have to deduct 27,500. We will get how much? 11,500. What is the remaining amount? We want to get total 39,000. It is 11,500. This amount is, we have to record it as balance carried down on 31st January 2017 by balance carried down. How much? 11,500. It is transferred to the next month. ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆನ್ February 1st 2017 to balance brought down. How much? 11,500 over. We prepared the cash account. Next we'll prepare bank account. Okay, bank account. We will prepare bank account. Here in the problem, cash at bank, we have the bank balance at the beginning. Beginning ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? To balance brought down. We have to record it like balance brought down. How much? 55,000 on January 1st 2017 to balance brought down. How much? The amount is 55,000. Other entries are same. We'll check bank related entries. Okay, on January 15th, we have Rohan's account debtor to bank account. On January 15th, we have Rohan's account debtor to bank account. Here, bank account is credited by Rohan's account. Therefore, we'll enter on 15th January 17. By Rohan's account. What is the amount? 6,000. 6,000 over. Next entry is on January 20th. Bank account debtor to Tarun's account. Bank account debtor to Tarun's account. How much? 10,000. Bank account debtor to Tarun's account on 20th January. To Tarun's account. How much? 10,000. Over. The next entry is on January 22nd. Bank account debtor to Heena's account. How much? 2,000. Bank account debtor to Heena's account on 22nd January 17. To Heena's account. How much? 2,000. Over. We'll check the next entry. On January 29th, Rupali's account debtor to bank account. Rupali's account debtor to bank account. Bank account is credited by Rupali's account on 29th January 17 by Rupali's account. How much? 12,000. How much? 12,000 here. Over. And here we recorded all the entries relating to bank account. What is the next step? Is to calculate the total. Here 55,000 plus 10,000 plus 2,000. How much? We will get the total 67,000. And in the credit side 6,000 plus 12,000. How much? We will get 18,000. Which side shows more amount? ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ 67,000 ತೋರಿಸಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದೇ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. 67,000 in the both the sides. 67,000 over. Here we are getting 18,000. Therefore 67,000 minus 18,000. How much? We will get 49,000. Remaining amount is 49,000 because 67,000 minus this 18,000 we will get 49,000. On 31st January 17 by balance carried down. How much? 49,000. It is transferred to the next month. Next month is February. 1st February 2017 to balance brought down. How much? This 49,000. ಈ 49,000 ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 49,000. Now we prepared bank account. And in the next we'll prepare stock account. Okay, stock account. Here also stock of goods. How much? 40,000 at the beginning. Stock ಏನು 40,000 beginning ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ. Therefore it is brought down. Okay, balance brought down on January 1st 2017 to balance brought down. How much? 40,000. And there is no other entries relating to stock account. Therefore we'll calculate the total. How much? 40,000. In the credit side no entries, we have to mention 40,000. Amount is, here we have to write amount 40,000. It is treated as balance carried down on 31st January. Okay, by balance carried down. How much? 40,000. It is transferred to the next month on 1st February 2017 to balance brought down. How much? 40,000 itself. Over. Stock account we prepared. Next we'll prepare Tarun's account. Tarun's account. Here Tarun's account is debited. How much? 10,000. It is due from Tarun. How much? 10,000. Therefore it is on January 1st. Balance at the beginning. It is treated as balance brought down on 1st January 2017 to balance brought down. How much? 10,000. And we'll check another entries relating to Tarun's account. Here Tarun's account. On 20th we have bank account debtor to Tarun's account. Here Tarun's account is credited by bank account on 20th January by bank account. How much? 10,000. We'll check other entries relating to Tarun's account, and there is no other entries. The next step is to calculate the total. Here debit side total is 10,000 and in the credit side also 10,000. Therefore the account is balanced. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. 10,000 ಎರಡು 10,000 ಇದೆ. And next we'll prepare Rohan's account. Rohan's account. On January 1st, due to Rohan, this Rohan account is credit. Okay, it is showing credit to Rohan's account. How much? 6,000. It is the balance at the beginning. Balance beginning alle ide. Therefore, we need to record it in the credit side. On January 1st, 17 by balance brought down. How much? The amount is 6,000 over, and we'll check next entry relating to Rohan's account. On January 15th, Rohan's account debtor to bank account. Rohan's account debtor to bank account. 15th January 2017 to bank account. How much? 6,000 over. 6,000 over, and we'll check the next entries. Rohan's account. There is no other entries. We'll calculate the total. Here in the debit side we are getting 6,000. In the credit side also 6,000. Therefore account is balanced. 6,000, 6,000. Rohan's account we prepared. Next we'll prepare capital account. Capital account. Here on January 1st we have cash balance, bank, stock and use. It is a balance at the beginning. Therefore it is treated as capital. How much? 1,05,000. So we have to record it as balance brought down because it is having balance at the beginning. Beginning alle cash, bank ಮತ್ತು stock balance ಅಥವಾ ಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ at the beginning ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆನ್ 1st January 2017 by balance brought down. How much? 1,05,000. And there is no other entries relating to capital. Therefore 1,05,000 itself. In the debit side also we need to enter 1,05,000. What is the remaining amount here? 1,05,000. It is shown as on 31st January 17 to balance carried down. How much? 1,05,000. It is transferred to the next month on 1st February 17th by balance brought down. How much? 1,05,000 over. We prepared capital account. Next we will prepare Karuna's account. Karuna's account. Here there is no rules to prepare these ledger accounts in order. You can prepare as per your convenience. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಲೆಜರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಕರುಣಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ವಿಲ್ check the entries. On January 3rd, we have Karuna's account debtor to sales account. Karuna's account debtor to sales account on January 17th, 2017. Karuna's account debtor to sales account. Here, to sales account, how much? 15,000. Okay, 15,000 we recorded. Then next we'll check the entries relating to Karuna's account. Karuna's account. Okay, on January 10th, sales return account debtor to Karuna's account. Here, Karuna's account is credited by sales return account. Karuna's account is credited by on 10th January by sales return account. How much? 2,000. Over. And the next entry is on January 14th, cash account debtor to Karuna's account. How much? 13,000. Here also Karuna's account is credited by cash account on 14th January by cash account. How much? 13,000. Over. And we'll check any entries relating to Karuna's account, and there is no other entries. We'll calculate the total. Here in the debit side 15,000, in the credit side 2,000 plus 13,000. How much? 15,000. Account is balanced. Illi ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ 15,000 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ account balance ಆಯಿತು. And next we'll prepare sales account. Sales account. Okay, we'll prepare here sales account. Check the entries relating to sales account. Okay, here January 3, 2017, Karuna's account debtor to sales account. Here this sales account is credited by Karuna's account. Sales account is credited by Karuna's account on January 3, 2017 by Karuna's account. How much? Amount is 15,000. Over. And on January 4th, we have cash account debtor to sales account. Again, sales account is credited by cash account. 4th January by cash account. How much? 10,000. Over. On January 6th, Heena's account debtor to sales account. Again, sales account is credited by Heena's account. Sales account credited by Heena's account on 6th January by Heena's account. How much? 5,000. Over. We'll check the next entries. Here we have sales return. It is different account. It is, we are not considering in the sales account. Sales return ana extra account open ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Sales account. On January 28th, cash account debtor to sales account. We have here sales account is credited by cash account on 28th January by cash account. How much? The amount is 7,000. Over. We recorded all the entries. Now we'll calculate the total. How much? 15,000 plus 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 7,000. It is 37,000. We will get 37,000. We have to record in both the sides 37,000. Here how much is remaining? 37,000 itself, because no other entries in the debit side. On 31st January 17th, to balance carried down 37,000. It is transferred to the next month. 1st February 17th by balance brought down. How much? 37,000. Over. We prepared sales account. In the next, we'll prepare Heena's account. Heena's account prepare ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. Heena's account. We'll check the transaction or entries. ನಾವೀಗ entry ನೋಡುವ. Heena's account related. On January 6th, Heena's account debtor to sales account. Heena's account debtor to sales account on 6th January to sales account. How much? 5,000. Okay. On next we'll check the entries. Heena's account. On January 16th, cash account debtor to Heena's account. Here cash account debtor to Heena's account. Therefore Heena's account is credited by cash account Hina's account is credited by cash account on 16th January by cash account. How much? Amount is 3,000 over, and on January 22nd we have bank account debtor to Hina's account. Again Hina's account is credited by bank account. How much? 2,000 on 22nd January by bank account. Here Hina's account is credited by bank account. How much? 2,000 over, and there is no other entries. We'll calculate the total. Here in the debit side 5,000, 3,000 plus 2,000 in the credit side also 5,000 we are getting. Account is balanced. Illi 5,000 ಎರಡು side ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ account balance ಆಯಿತು. Now we prepare purchases account. ಈಗ purchases account we'll prepare purchases account. Okay, on January 8th purchases account debtor to Rupali's account. Purchase account debtor to Rupali's account on 8th January. Okay, to Rupali's account. How much? 30,000. Next entry we'll check purchase account. On January 30th we have drawings account debtor to purchases account. How much? 4,000. Purchase account is credited by drawings account. Purchase account is credited by drawings account on 30th January by drawings account. How much? 4,000. Here we are getting 4,000 only. We'll calculate the total. Here 30,000. In the credit side also 30,000, because which side shows more amount we have to write. How much is the remaining amount? 30,000 minus 4,000 we will get 26,000. The remaining amount is 26,000. It is written as balance carried down. By balance carried down, it is transferred to the next month on 1st February 17th to balance brought down. How much? 26,000. We prepared purchase account. Next we'll prepare Rupali's account. Rupali's account. Check the entries. On January 8th we have purchase account debtor to Rupali's account. Here Rupali's account is credited by purchase account. Rupali's account is credited by purchase account on 8th January by purchases account. How much? 30,000. And the next entries will check Rupali's account. On 25th January Rupali's account debtor to cash account. Rupali's account debtor to cash account on 25th January 2017 to cash account. How much? 18,000. And we'll check the next entries. On January 29th Rupali's account debtor to bank account. On 29th January to bank account. How much? 12,000. Over, no other entries. 18,000 plus 12,000. How much? 30,000. In the credit side also we have 30,000. Therefore account is balanced. And next we'll prepare sales return account. Okay, sales return account. Only one entry we have, only one entry ಇದೆ. January 10th ಇದೆ. Sales return account debtor to Karuna's account. Sales return account debtor to Karuna's account on 10th January to Karuna's account. How much? 2,000 only. And there is no other entries because we have only one entry. Calculate the total. How much? 2,000. In the credit side also we need to write 2,000. What is the remaining amount here? 2,000. On 31st January 17th it is by balance carried down. How much? 2000 it is transferred to the next month. On 1st February, to balance brought down. How much? This 2000 itself over, and only 3 accounts are left: cartage account, salary account and drawings account. We'll prepare. Now we'll prepare cartage account. Cartage account. Entry on January 26th. Cartage account debtor to cash account. How much? 1000. Cartage account debtor to cash account on 26th January. To cash account. How much? 1000. And no other entries. Total is 1000, and the credit side also we need to write 1000. It is the balance amount is 1000. It is stated as carried down. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು carried down ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. 31st January 2017 by balance carried down. How much? 1000. It is transferred to the next month on 1st February. To balance brought down. How much? 1000. Okay. Next we'll prepare salary account. Salary account on January 27th. Salary account debtor to cash account. Salary account debtor to cash account on 27th January 2017. Again to cash account. How much? 8000. No other entries. Total is 8000. Here also 8000. It is the remaining amount is 8000 treated as balance carried down by balance carry down. How much? 8000 transfer to the next month. ಈ amount ಏನು next month ಗೆ transfer ಆಗ್ತದೆ. To balance brought down. How much? 8000. And in the last we'll prepare drawings account. Drawings account on prepare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯಿತು ಎಲ್ಲ accounts. Here January 30th we have drawings account debtor to purchases account. Drawings account debtor to purchases account on 30th January 2017 to purchases account. How much? 4000, and there is no other entries. Calculate the total. 4000 ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು 4000 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಡೌನ್ ಅಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 31st January by balance carry down. How much? 4000 is transferred to the next month on 1st February 17th. To balance brought down. How much? 4000. Now we prepared all the ledger accounts. Thank you.